Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn all English verb tenses. In this lesson, we will explain every part of the present tense, past tense, and future tense with easy examples. Let's get started.
Present simple. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. She reads a book. He watches TV. We play football. They study English. I clean my room. She cooks dinner. He drives to work. We learn English. Present continuous. I am eating breakfast. I am drinking coffee. She is reading a book. He is watching TV. We are playing football. They are studying English. I am cleaning my room. She is cooking dinner. He is driving to work. We are learning English.
Present perfect. I have eaten breakfast. I have drunk coffee. She has read a book. He has watched TV. We have played football. They have studied English. I have cleaned my room. She has cooked dinner. He has driven to work. We have learned English. Present perfect continuous. I have been eating breakfast. I have been drinking coffee. She has been reading a book. He has been watching TV. We have been playing football. They have been studying English. I have been cleaning my room. She has been cooking dinner. He has been driving to work. We have been learning English.
Past simple. I ate breakfast. I drank coffee. She read a book. He watched TV. We played football. They studied English. I cleaned my room. She cooked dinner. He drove to work. We learned English. Past continuous. I was eating breakfast. I was drinking coffee. She was reading a book. He was watching TV. We were playing football. They were studying English. I was cleaning my room. She was cooking dinner. He was driving to work. We were learning English.
Past perfect. I had eaten breakfast. I had drunk coffee. She had read a book. He had watched TV. We had played football. They had studied English. I had cleaned my room. She had cooked dinner. He had driven to work. We had learned English. Past perfect continuous. I had been eating breakfast. I had been drinking coffee. She had been reading a book. He had been watching TV. We had been playing football. They had been studying English. I had been cleaning my room. She had been cooking dinner. He had been driving to work. We had been learning English.
Future simple. I will eat breakfast. I will drink coffee. She will read a book. He will watch TV. We will play football. They will be studying English. I will clean my room. She will cook dinner. He will drive to work. Future continuous. I will be eating breakfast. I will be drinking coffee. She will be reading a book. He will be watching TV. We will be playing football. They will be studying English. I will be cleaning my room. She will be cooking dinner. He will be driving to work. We will be learning English.
Future perfect. I will have eaten breakfast. I will have drunk coffee. She will have read a book. He will have watched TV. We will have played football. They will have studied English. I will have cleaned my room. She will have cooked dinner. He will have driven to work. We will have learned English. Future perfect continuous. I will have been eating breakfast. I will have been drinking coffee. She will have been reading a book. He will have been watching TV. We will have been playing football. They will have been studying English. I will have been cleaning my room. She will have been cooking dinner. He will have been driving to work. We will have been learning English.
Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.